The next section is on measures of dispersion, and these measure the spread of a data set. And this includes the range, standard deviation, and variance. The first one that we're going to work with is the range, and this measures the total spread of the data. And to find this, we want to take the highest value and subtract the lowest value. Find the range of the following data samples. So first I need to organize my data, and then I want to take the highest value and subtract the lowest value. So 10 minus 1, and that will equal 9. On question 2, I need to organize my data, and then to find the range, I want to take the highest value, which is 9, and subtract the lowest value, which is 1.4, and that will get me 7.6. So again, the range measures the total spread of the data. So it's the distance from the lowest value to the highest value.